Let's take one example on node analysis. Find V1, V2, V3 using node analysis. This is the given circuit. Here we supposed to calculate voltage at node V1, voltage at node V3 using node analysis. KCL is applied to each nodes to analyze the node. Mark all branch currents. So here in this branch current 2 amp is flowing. We'll assume that say current X is flowing in this branch. Say current Y is flowing in this branch. Let current Z is flowing in this branch. And say current W is flowing in this branch. And we'll assume that this is the reference node. And voltage at this node is 0. So here V1, V2, V3 are known as non-reference nodes, and this is reference node. We supposed to calculate the value of non-reference nodes with respect to reference node. Now let's apply KCL to node V1. Apply KCL to node V1. So KCL says that incoming current is equal to outgoing current. Here at node V1, current 2 ampere is incoming, current X is leaving the node, current Y is leaving the node. So I can write 2 is equal to X plus Y. 2 is incoming, X and Y are leaving the node. I can represent it as X equal to 2 is equal to X is the current which is flowing from V1 towards V2. So I can represent X in terms of node voltages as it's a potential difference between V1 and V2 divided by 1. That is X is equal to V1 minus V2 divided by the resistor value, that is 1, because we know that current is equal to voltage by resistor, plus Y is the current which is moving from V1 towards V3. So it is potential difference between V1 and V3 divided by 1. So I can write it as V1 minus V3 divided by 1. So simplifying this, I can write it as 2 is equal to V1 plus V1 is 2V1 minus V2 minus V3. We'll call it as equation number 1. So now observe this circuit. A voltage of 8 volt source is directly connected to V2 and another end of 8 volt source is connected to reference node, that is its voltage is 0. Therefore we can say that the value of V2 is equal to 8 volt as the voltage source is directly connected to V2. Therefore V2 is 8 volt. We'll call it as equation 2. So now no need to apply KCL to this node because already we found the node voltage V2, that is 8 volts. The remaining node is V3. Let's apply KCL to node V3. Apply KCL to node V3. So here incoming current is Y plus Z is incoming current, where W is outgoing current. So Y is nothing but V1 minus V3 divided by 1 plus Z is the current which is moving from V2 towards V3, that is V2 minus V3 divided by 4 is equal to W is nothing but V3 by 4. Simplifying this, I can write V1 minus V3 plus V2 by 4 minus V3 by 4. I'll take this V3 by 4 on left hand side, it will become V3 by 4 is equal to 0. Simplify this further. V1 minus V2 value is 8 volt, so 8 by 4 is 2. So here we have minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 V3, that is 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2 V3 which is equal to 0. I can rewrite it as V1 minus, here it is plus 2. Therefore V1 minus 1.5 V3 is equal to minus 2. We'll call it as equation number 2. Now here we can substitute the value of V2, that is I can represent it as 2 is equal to 2V1, V2 value is 8 minus V3. So I can write it as, I'll take 8 minus 8 on left hand side, it will become 10 is equal to 2V1 minus V3. We'll call it as, so now solving equation 1 and 2. So keep the calculator in equation mode. There are two unknowns. Coefficient of V1 in first equation is 2. Coefficient of V3 is minus 1 and it is 10. In second equation, coefficient of V1 is 1. Coefficient of V3 is minus 1.5 and right hand side value is minus 2, which is equal to 8.5. That is V1 is equal to 8.5 volts and V3 is equal to 7 volts. And we know that V2 is already found, that is V2 is equal to 8 volts. This is the required solution, that is voltage V1, V2 and V3 found using node analysis. Thank you for watching.